and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Blast Factory Social Set. I got my shelf right here, PK's Blueprint, Leo Pathfinder, and your boy, One Strange. I know y'all, hope y'all enjoyed the Super Bowl last weekend.
I know I did.
I know I did.
Yes, indeed.
And I tell you this, it's sure a good thing to see somebody else to the couch. Well, today we're bringing a new dish, as we say we're gonna always do. I'm gonna let Chef PK give y'all the permission to see what he's gonna make.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The menu today, I got our black eyed pea, world's famous seafood cabbage, and it's gonna be amazing.
All right, now, like we were saying, one of our main ingredients is the dirty shrimp, what you see right there. I'll give you a quick rundown for the dirty shrimp. You got your shrimp, you got your sazon, a little sazonador, a little garlic powder, a little Old Bay, some coarse ground pepper. Now, that's being one of the basics of this dish. We also, if you haven't noticed already, we threw in some of them Georgia Hots, the original, the authentic. The authentic. If you ain't coming with some of them, contact us. Otherwise, kick anybody else out the kitchen and say they got some Georgia Hots for
We
you.
got smoked bacon,
There we go.
and onions seasoned with a sonazor, and a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. We're gonna saute these down before we add the cabbage, and we're about to get busy.
Sounds good to me.
So,
All right.
all right, welcome back. Chef PK is doing his magic like he always do. So he just cut up the red hots. Like we say, you'll know the red hots when he cut. If your meat look like it's from pancake batter, then that ain't a Georgia hot.
No.
This is the real Georgia hot.
Yes, it
the
is.
skin, the redness is gonna be good.
And the kick.
Oh, the kick is
Oh,
off the
yeah.
chain.
Kick, baby. Let's
Original
not forget
Georgia
about
Hots.
the
These are the ones that turn your water pink. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, original Georgia
Yeah.
Hots. So without further ado, I got everything cut up with the cabbage. I got some cabbage already cut up for you. You know what I'm saying? I seasoned that with our seasonings right here.
Right here.
Our seasonings over here. So you got a sonazor, you got fennel seeds, you got onion powder, garlic powder, and a little Larry seasoning salt, and some Old Bay.
Bingo. In the old.
Now with the Old Bay, ladies and
To
gentlemen,
the bay.
this is a special treat.
Right now, I'm gonna cut this cabbage up. The rest of this cabbage, you know, just cut it up. You know, rustic. It ain't gotta be fine chopped.
No, because it's gonna
It's gonna
steam down.
stick down. You don't want your pieces too small.
Right.
You don't want them too big. So you know, like I say, just rustic chopping.
You're not making a salad.
That's it. Rustic chopping. That's it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna wilt down, just like collard greens.
Yeah.
It's gonna wilt down, and you know, we're gonna do our thing. See? Look at that. That's easy.
That's it.
Done. And I'm gonna add that to that bowl. I'm gonna season these up. And when we come back, I'm gonna bring you over to the stove and start
when the magic
and
finna
start that
happen.
magic. You know what I'm saying?
That's
So
when that magic
we'll be right back.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, like we promised, PK's going to show you the mechanism of putting the stuff in the pan to bring it to your plate. So, I'm going to let you take it from there, brother.
Real quick though. What you're gonna notice that before we marry everything up, he has a system. We start with certain ingredients, go to other certain ingredients, and we're gonna go ahead and let you know because some it cooks a little faster than others. And then once we marry all this up, let me tell you, it's gonna be a surprise. You're really gonna like the outcome and the kick. Go ahead, Chef P.
Now, if you want to add to this dish, which I usually do, but I didn't have them today because I didn't stop at the store in time, you can add red peppers, green peppers, you can add carrots. It brings out the color, it brings out the flavor. You know, whatever you want to add to your dish, you can. Like I said, you make it your own. That's all. So right now, I'm gonna go to the stove. I'm gonna put these onions and bacon on, get these sauteing, and I'll be right back.
Now, remember, if you have that 19 or 1841 bowl in your system, don't use that. Harriet Tubman bowl doesn't work.
So basically what he did do is cracking on my bowl out my. He said every time he turned the spoon, it was like, look.
Swing low,
Look,
swing
listen,
chariot.
that bowl of Seymour muffins and things as such, no big deal.
Harriet Tubman first utensil.
And he wrong anyway, because it was Fred Flintstone's.
Oh, snap. Brontosaurus burger.
Excuse me. This is the bowl they talking about.
Oh!
Hold on, let's
You
put it
see
up.
how he put my bowl in the...
If you see this shape, it looked like a hat. This was Harriet Tubman's first. This was her first bowl. Somehow he bought this somewhere but they gave them a discount, free. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have this bowl, just throw it out. But like I say, ladies and gentlemen, you will see a good dish today. And I hope that you follow these methods and just try to bring something new to your family. Bring something new to your family. Let them see the dish that we make and see how they taste buds respond to it. And I'm guarantee you they're gonna love it. So just continue watching.
Now there's the order.
I got my boy One Strange over there stirring the pot.
Yeah.
Right, you know, you can always have too many cooks in the kitchen, but you know, that's my boy. So like, you know, he's learning, so I'm teaching him. So I'm gonna let him stir the pot a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And the boy can burn too. The boy can burn. Don't get me wrong. The boy can burn. He can make a mean bowl of cereal.
Harriet Tubman coming.
Nothing like your boy kick you when you're down. So
We do catering. Any type of catering.
Yes,
We do catering for 2, for 20, 100, whatever. So
yeah,
we're gonna put the information out there. If you're close to home, let us know. If you ain't too far or far enough, we travel too. So
yeah,
we get it in.
We'll put our
Get it
contact.
in.
We'll put our contact
You know what I'm
information up there. You know,
We do it all, bro. We do romantic dinners.
Hey.
We do it all. So it's, you know,
And Timmy,
PK Blueprint, Black Eyed Peas,
and
under
Timmy,
one roof.
and Timmy, if you call us from Hawaii, we will have to charge you for that one.
Yeah, that flight. That's not.
Yeah.
No, that's
It's
not
a long
happening.
flight.
Yes, it is.
Cause I'm gonna have to stay for at least 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I ain't coming back.
Yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah.
I don't want to come back. You know what I'm saying? Go to Hawaii, why come back? You know what I'm saying?
True that.
I don't know, it's a little expensive over there though.
Also, if you're from Ohio, hey, we give our condolences for the disaster that's going on down there with the train wreck. I know they're not giving y'all all the hoopla what they should,
Yeah,
but y'all know it's
all the
dangerous.
specifics and whatnot.
Yeah.
And
So-
the 4 people down there, man,
Yeah.
they
We give
choked
out-
and whatnot.
Yeah, we just
So
want
now-
y'all to know we thinking of y'all on that.
We're gonna add this cabbage to the pan. The shrimps come last. Cause they cook, you know what I'm saying, they cook fast.
They cooked it fast.
So now I'm gonna add the cabbage to the pan, but a little bit at a time, whip down a little bit at a time, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna start this right now.
And here we go.
All right, the pan, it looks like it's overflowing, but like I said, it's gonna wilt down. Nice and slow, nice and smooth. It's gonna be all evened out. It's gonna wilt down. You start off with the saute, put a little oil in the pan. You saute your onions and peppers. You add the Georgia hots, saute those. And I put the cabbage in there. I let it wilt down a little bit with the oil, then I add water a little bit at a time so it can steam up. So that helps it wilt down and it gets nice and soft. And there we go. Back to the stove.
And for those of you who are a little more proper, we're going to talk about it reduces. But this is layman's talk here, all right? And you'll see.
When we do our catering, we're not cooking for ourselves, we do wear gloves.
And I will
And we
say
wash our
this.
hands.
And I will say this. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I know that some of you cooks like to cook in your natural gear. Trust me, if that grease come out that skillet, it hit you in your natural, you ain't gonna like it. And one.
Welcome back. We got our finished product. You know, our seafood cabbage, which is amazing. So I'm gonna have my brother Miami bring it over here. So show you how to plate it up. And like I said, you know, you can add, put it right here. You can add anything you want to your cabbage. You can add shrimp, you can add sausage, you can add fish, you can add whatever. Whatever you like. You know, you can do a cheesy one, whatever you like. I mean, just you use your discretion, whatever you like, whatever you want to do. You know, I do another version of this, but you know, it's more like a dirty fried cabbage, you know what I'm saying? And
That dirty side.
well, like I say, you can eat anything you want. I mean, think outside the box, you know. I'm here, PK's Blueprint, he give you the blueprint, you know, so.
All right, let me put
So,
this up here.
I think that looks gorgeous just the way it is.
Yeah.
Handle that right there. We're gonna scoop this in this pan right here. Turn it. Yeah, turn it.
Oh, you want to just get the juice?
Yeah, turn it, everything.
All right, let's get that juice.
Drop that shrimp.
And you know the doggone Jack's gonna get that.
Yeah, my ass.
Drop that sausage. You know, we ain't perfect here.
That's good.
Oh, this is real.
We ain't perfect here, but
We
this
do
is.
scrape that joke out.
This is right here, bro. This is amazing. This is a meal right here, baby. This is some good eating right here. Look at that. You got the juices in there, everything, you know? You got here, you got the juices. See the steam coming off of there. It's well seasoned. You know, you got your blackened shrimp that my brother Leo made. You know, I mean, man, what can I tell you, man? I mean, this will feed your whole family. It's tasty, delicious. It looks pretty. And like I say, PK
And
Blueprint.
it's healthy for you.
And it's healthy for you. And like I say, PK's Blueprint, you can add whatever you want to this. Like if I had the carrots, I put carrots in here. I put
Green
peppers in here. Green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, you know, to make it more brighter, you know, but you know, it's yummy for your tummy.
And you want a little spicy, throw some crushed red pepper on it.
Crushed red pepper on it, whatever you like, you know. Think outside the box.
But you won't need it with them Georgia House up in there.
Yeah.
So,
come on.
Georgia House, you got a little kick to it.
Yeah, it do.
You got a little kick to it. So, thank you for tuning in again to Blast Factory Social Set PK's Blueprint. Appreciate you guys tuning in.
Word.
Yep.